BZH here from BigZachsHouse. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Star Wars Lego set, the Imperial Probe Droid, set number 75306, 683 pieces. Most notably, this set for me, or actually the Imperial Probe Droid, is when I think of the Imperial Probe Droid, I think of Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back, which is on the back of the box right here. As always, I'm going to start off by opening up the box. We have 6 bags here, plus these little 2 ones, all numbered. Then we have our instruction manual, as well as 5 stickers. We're going to start building the set, do a speed build in a separate video. I'm also going to post my Amazon affiliate link for the set. The set right now is priced at $59.99. I'll put the Amazon affiliate link in the description below, as well as a pinned comment. Get to the box. So we'll start on the speed build, and we're going to wrap it up, close up of the box, close up of the set, and I'll give you guys all my thoughts. I'm finally done building the Lego Imperial Droid set number 75306. This is a beautiful set, priced at $59.99. I'm going to post my Amazon affiliate link in the description below, as well as a pinned comment. Please support the channel, and if you do like this set, and after listening to my recommendations about whether or not to buy this set, please consider using my Amazon affiliate link. Without further ado, I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the set. I'm going to give you a close-up of the actual set itself, the instruction manual, as well as the box, and let you guys know if I think this is worth the $59.99 price tag. As promised, I have a close-up of the Imperial Probe Droid, the Star Wars Lego set 75306. I'm going to start off just going over the box. I really do like the box art of this particular set. As you can see, it's the 18 plus model, 683 pieces. The side, just a typical side here. And on the back, it actually shows you the size of the set in centimeters as well as inches. Be 27 centimeters high, or tall I should say, 10.5 inches, and then 24 centimeters, 9 inches wide. Very cool set. As I also mentioned, when I think of the Probe Droid, I think of Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back. It's clearly modeled in the pictures. I know it's been in a lot of other movies, but here we go. Han Solo, you see the Imperial Probe Droid. And then the side here, the other side has the actual set. And then on top, we got the bottom. Going over the instruction manual, pretty small instruction manual as far as the size goes. 75306 on the front. You got your label here, or the scan code if you want to use your smartphone instead of the actual instruction manual. Let's go over here. There are 182 steps, 99 pages. Now, which I know you all have been waiting for, the actual set. So this set, in my opinion, it wasn't my favorite build of all my Lego sets, but it's definitely worth making it through. There's a lot of small pieces, which in my opinion, I'm not the biggest fan of small pieces, but obviously, you know, in order to make a set like this, it has a Technic feel to it, but it's well worth it. If you don't like Technic sets and you don't like small pieces, it's well worth the build, because this is a beautiful display piece. Not a lot of playability functions. The only function it really has is you can turn this, we're gonna call it headpiece, or the top of the actual droid. There's only, I think, 4 stickers. As you'll see, we've got one here. This was a sticker piece as well. And then on the bottom, we have a couple of these other, one right there. So I guess I would make it 5 total sticker pieces. I really like how you have like this snow feel to this display piece right here, where it goes Viper Probe Droid with all the information, and how it sits on like a snowy type display stand. All these pieces right here were built individually. You can see that in my speed build, which I also have up on the channel in a separate video. Each one was built separately. And you have this clear piece right here that the droid sits on. You can take the droid out and put it in several different display positions here, depending on what you want to do. You can just pop it out. It's not mounted in there in any way, shape, or form. This is a great set. I really do like this set. It's an iconic set that I'm surprised it took this long to build. There is no, which you'll notice here, in all these other type of sets like BB-8 and the Porg, for example, there was always a minifigure to go with it. This set does not have a minifigure. I don't know how they would have done that. So it's not a very surprising thing to not get like an exclusive minifigure with the set. It's definitely a different one. So let me know what you guys think. I do think this is a fantastic set. Please consider using my Amazon affiliate link. I have a whole lot more LEGO reviews to come. Just getting my channel invested into the LEGO theme. It's definitely my passion right now. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be a whole lot more of these to come. Also, this video was filmed exclusively with my GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. Gonna be a lot more GoPro videos here to come. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.